Hello children, in today's video I will show you how to do addition with regrouping and without regrouping. So in the first example we have 24 plus 13 plus 11. 24 is written as 2 tens and 4 ones. 13 written as 1 tens, 3 ones, and 11 written as 1 tens, 1 ones. Be very careful when writing down the numbers. All the ones digits should come in a column and the tens digits should come under the tens column. Now let us start with the addition. We will add from the top. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. We have written here 8. Moving to the tens column. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So you have written here 4. 24 plus 13 plus 11 is giving us 48. Now moving to the next example. In the next example, I will show you adding with regrouping. Regrouping means where you have to carry the numbers to the next column. I have taken here two numbers, 23 plus 19. 23 plus 19, we have written the numbers in this way. 2 tens and 3 ones. 1 tens and 9 ones. Now I will start adding the numbers. 3 plus 9 gives me 12. Now this 12 is a 2-digit number. 12 means 1 tens and 2 ones. And this is the column of ones. So in the column of ones, I will write the number that is in the ones digit. Here the number in ones digit is 2. So I have written 2 over here. And the number in tens digit, we will carry the number of tens digit to the tens column. This one is carried from the addition of ones. We got 12. The ones digit we are writing it over here and the tens digit is carried here. Now we will do addition of the tens column. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. We have written here 4. Thus we can tell that 23 plus 19 gives me 42.